Plan mode in Hermes Coding CLI agent. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the plan mode in the Hermes CLI agent. So for that, the first thing that we're going to do is run our Windows PowerShell as an administrator mode and then type in Hermes in order to launch the Hermes code CLI. So as you can see, the Hermes agent has successfully launched. Now, to enable the plan mode right away, what you will need to do is simply type in a forward slash and then type in plan and then hit the enter button. Now you can see that the plan skill was loaded and the plan mode has been successfully loaded into the same and you are ready to chat. So that's how easily you can load the plan mode in your Hermes AI agent, especially if you are working it in your Windows PowerShell. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.